Okay, so this is going to be your mini lesson for today, which is April 1st. I'm not there today because I was in a wreck on Friday and totaled my car. I am fine, but I don't have a vehicle until tomorrow, until Tuesday, but till Monday. So I'll be there Tuesday. A couple things before you get started. Um, you need to check before you go onto your playlist. You'll notice that there's not a playlist listed in the room. So your playlist will be in Google Classroom and you will have your own playlist. It's actually a calendar, and I want you to plan out your week as to what you're doing. And then as you do that, go back and take the box and turn that box a color by using the paint bucket. Okay. I will then, when I get back Tuesday, allow you to transfer that onto the paper so I can see it. So now you have your own digital playlist so that you can plan it out as you want to. Make plans for the week to help yourself keep on track. I'm also going to place a link on there for you to be able to click when you want to use it as a timer. There's also, you need to go check your emails because I have sent many of you personal emails in regards to what I need from you. There are certain of you who I have specific directions for, and you need to check that. But here's your mini lesson, and you're going to copy exactly what I do. You've done this before, and then you're going to cut it out and glue it into your journal. And then you're going to take a picture of it in your journal and attach it to this seesaw activity so that I know you have done what I asked you to do. So we are going to explore more into data. And we've been doing data for a long time, but we're really going to start focusing in on specific data. So this first data that you see is called a frequency chart. And the word frequency means, let's see if it'll let me type. Frequency is frequency means how many times something happens. Frequency is, okay, so I brush my teeth 3 times a day. So the frequency would be 3, okay? I eat lunch 6 or 7 times a week. So the frequency is how many times I ate lunch for the week. So frequency is how many times, oh, this is going to be horrible, how many times you do something. Now, I hope your handwriting is better than mine. I'm using a computer mouse, but you need to write frequency equals how many times something is done, okay? And it is shown in either a tally mark and then transferred into a digit or just a digit, okay? So frequency is how many times something happens. All right, so what we have here up at the top while I'm still writing is I have some data. And this was a data taking over favorite pets, okay? So I see that there's cats and dogs and birds and hamsters and fish. So I'm going to transfer this information into this chart, all right? So the kind of pet, since there's a lot of information here, I'm not going to try to do all of it at once. I'm going to pick one thing and do only that one thing, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do cat. And the reason why I'm going to do cat is because it's first inside my data, all right? And then as I count it off, I'm going to tally. There's 1 cat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I tallied it, and the frequency that I saw cat was 8. Okay. Now I'm going to do dogs. Dogs. So I'm going to write dog. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope yours is neater than mine. 8, 9. So I have 9 dogs. And then the next is birds. Let's make birds orange. So I'm going to write bird, bird. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boop, 6. That's it. So the frequency that bird showed up was 6. And now is fish. Let's do fish. Fish. Let's make fish pink. So we have fish. Fish. La la. And 1 fish. 2 fish. Red fish, blue fish. 3 fish. So the frequency of fish is 3. And then the last one is hamsters. Let's make that orange. You're not going to be able to see it very well. Hamsters. 1. 2, 3, 4. That's it, only 4. All right, to make sure that I have included everybody, I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to count how many I have. Well, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across the top. So 6 times 5 equals 30. So I should have 30 different tally marks. Now I can sit here and count all these tally marks, or I can add these up. 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 6, 24, plus 3 is 27, 28, 29, wait, something's wrong. 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 6, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, plus 3 is 26, plus 4 is 30. Okay, so we completed the frequency chart. Check. How many people answered the pet survey? Well, that's where this comes from. How many people answered the survey? 30. Yes, 30 people answered the survey. Which pet was chosen the most? That means it has the most frequency. And if it's not asking for a number, it is asking for a pet. So which pet was chosen the most? Dogs, yes. And which pet was chosen the least? Fish, yes. So this is how a frequency table works. Now, you should take a picture of this after you glue it inside your journal. And then you need to check your email to see if I sent you a personal email. And then check your Google Classroom, because there's a calendar and I want you to plan your week out. And you can use the paint bucket to fill in each section once you've done it. Now, I want you to listen to me. There is a news station in this classroom. Data dump is going to happen this week, but you're not going to do that today because I have your tests. The news station is going to be POD, which is problem of the day. That is on Seesaw, and you may go ahead and do that. I just wanted to let you know that there is a news station this week, and that's going to take the place of the practice pad. All right? Now, you be on your best behavior. Make sure you use your time wisely, and I'll see you Tuesday. The clue word is dandelion.